What do you actually think happens if I fall down here, like, if I use my sailcloth? I know you can't do it, but, like, could you imagine how... Could you imagine, like, where it takes me? Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video playing The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword. In the last episode, we defeated the Dark Demon Lord person, Girahim. We struggled. We definitely did struggle. And we also completed... we also finished Skyview Temple. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Skyloft. Yeah, so we're going to go back to Skyloft. So we have to return to the sky. And we have to go and place another stone tablet thing in an altar. So then we can go somewhere else. 'Cause it turns out Zelda's already gone. She's not dead, she's just not in the area that we thought she would be in. Master Link, when you hit that goddess cube with a skyward strike earlier, I was able to detect a resulting energy reaction above the clouds. The location I've marked on your map indicates the spot where I sensed an energy reaction. Oh yeah, so you know how I was talking about those chests earlier? Yeah, this is them, so I might go pay a visit to them. I advise you to investigate the area around this location. Yeah. So as I was saying, I mentioned it before we went into the dungeon. The cubes that we Skyward struck. They basically give us a chest. Right. Alright, we're back in Skyloft. Now, you're probably wondering, why did I land here and not by the goddess statue? Because there is a new item that we will probably, if not definitely, need. We also need a new shield. Speaking of which, he's selling new shields. So, we're not going to bother getting the wooden one, because there's no point at the moment. So we're going to get is a very sturdy iron shield. It's much more durable than a wooden shield, and I'm happy to report that it won't burst into flames. I suppose I should warn you that it won't protect you from electricity, which could come as a nasty shock. It's also just 100 rupees. Okay. Need an iron shield. Yeah. Thank you for your loyal and continued patronage, friend. If you have any doubts about the durability of a shield, I suggest you have it examined at the scrap shop. Right. Yeah, I mean, it's not as durable as I thought it was, but okay. I'm gonna get one of these. That's a heart potion. Yes, please. I'm gonna get one of these because I'm probably gonna need one. The heart potion, 8 hearts. So how do I... How much is this? No, I'm all good. That's quite alright. I've got... Okay. I want to see if I can get this upgraded, actually. Hey, welcome to Scrap Shop. Upgrade gear. Eldin or ornamental skull. Ah! Oh! Right, yeah, we can't upgrade it right now. So we have to go to Eldin to upgrade it. We need some ornamental skulls. So I think when we get those items, we will come back and I will upgrade it. What about this? Dust relic. Right, okay. Well, goodbye, good sir. I thought I could upgrade it, but no. Hold on now, you can change your mind, Will. Yeah, I can't upgrade it. Yeah, so if it wasn't obvious, the area that we're going into is going to be a fire area. So we will probably need a metal shield. Yeah. So, we now have a ranged item, so what we can now do... No. Oh my god. Oh right, okay, there we go. I was gonna say, there's no way I can't get up. But I can, so it's alright. Right. So in we go. Now, some of you may recognise this guy. Beedle! Oh, you come all this way. It's so rare to have a customer here. Beedle's air shop has everything you could ever want. Please take a look around. If you actually buy something, that would be even better. Right. That's a life medal. It says a bunch of mysterious... Okay. Oh, 800 rupees, okay. So this, the life medal, it basically gives you an extra heart, because why not? That's an extra wallet. 100 rupees, yeah, I'll buy it. You got the extra wallet, your wallet can now hold an additional 300 rupees. Awesome.
Thank you!
Really suits you. What about this? Okay, that'll increase my adventure pouch. I can't afford that. And then this is the net, but we're gonna leave this for now. How much is it? 50 rupees. No, I'll leave it for now. Goodbye, Beetle. Right. What I do want to do, because I don't really want to continue with the story at the moment, because there are a few things that we can do. First, I want to go and get the, what's it called? Those, chests, the crates. So where? So there's, am I going in the right way? Oh, there it is. Let's go up and then down. Making a lot of speed. Go up again. Yeah. Right. So yeah, we want to go get this chest because it can have very useful items in it. And we want it. So it is just an empty island. Right. Open. What is in here? I genuinely have no idea. Oh, heart piece! I just need one more and then I can increase my hearts. Let's move that there. So where am I? I think it's... yeah, I've got to go over here. Alright, I shall see you at the location. Alright, here we are. Come on. Right, sailcloth. Right, the chest should be... not here. Oh, we just killed a bug. Oh, right. Well, I do apologise, Mr. Bug. Didn't mean to. Oh, it's in... I think it's actually in here. Yeah, here it is. Oh, no, it's not inside. But there is something inside that we do want to get. Got an adventure pouch, yeah. So we can now fit more items in. Which is awesome. I don't really know why we have to have a shield in our adventure pouch, because, like, you know... the thing is, it's on our back, so, you know, we're not really carrying it in anything. We are the adventure pouch. Alright. So yeah. This is the lumpy pumpkin. I think. Is it a lumpy pumpkin? It's something with pumpkin in it. Yeah, the lumpy pumpkin. So what we do want to do... oh, it's this prick. Hey Link, didn't think I'd see you here. Bet you're wondering what I'm doing here. Yeah. I think I mentioned this before, but man, I'm really into bugs. So I'm out collecting insects wherever I think I'll find them. If you have a bug net too, you should try catching some. If you don't have one, you can pick one up at Beetle's Airshop. I'm sure that sweaty shopkeeper is flying around Skyloft now. Possibly. Yeah, so, as you can see, no rough housing on the balcony, big rocks has caused the chandelier to shake. So look, there's a heart container, or piece. So, how do we get that to come down? I don't know how to roll. I don't know how to roll. Press. Oh. Yeah, we gotta keep doing that. Oh shit. He doesn't look happy. Why would you do that? Get down and come here this instant. Hey, I needed the heart container. Or the piece. I always get the two mixed up. You got a heart and piece of heart. This completes the heart container and your heart capacity will increase by 1. Yeah, so you now have 8 hearts. Hello. Don't even pretend that was an accident. I put signs up there to warn people to be careful of the chandelier and everything. While I wash my hands of the whole thing, don't be surprised if my dad gives you a roll chewing out. He doesn't know who I am. I'm Link. What is wrong with you? Just look at what you've done. You broke my fancy custom-ordered chandelier. You're going to be working for me for free until you pay off every single rupee that chandelier cost me. Got that? Erase own up to your responsibility? Of course. That's right, I'm going to hold you to that. Okay, I need you to deliver my famous soup to Eager, Skyward's Knight Commander. Oh, he's the one with the sword, ain't he? Yeah, one sec. I've got to plug my laptop in. Alright. The Knight Commander is a regular here. He says he can't get his day started with that bowl of my soup. What do you say? Are you ready to... Yeah. Here's the hot pumpkin soup. Deliver that to the Knight Commander. Got some hot pumpkin... Yeah, okay. It'll get cold in 5 minutes. So you're going to take this hot soup over to him. So you've got to deliver it in less than 5 minutes or the soup will get cold. What happens if I just drink it? Can I just drink it? Alright. So yeah, there's a lot for us to do. Like, quite a bit for us to do. Alright, where's Sky? Okay, there it is. I don't know how I couldn't see Sky last time. But yeah. So we have to go and deliver the soup to the guy with the sword. And also, if you look in this rock, look at this. If we go in, we get a free boost, which is really useful. I want to go up here at some point. Alright. Let's dive. There we go. Back at Skyloft. Alright, sparring hall. Hello. I have something for you. Hey Link, have you been working hard on your swordsmanship? I smell something. You know that earthy aroma? Isn't that my favourite pumpkin soup? Maggie, shut up! Shut your mouth! Fucking dog. Are you done? Are you done? Shut up! I asked the owner of the lumpy pumpkin to bring me some, but you went out of your way to deliver some to me. That's right. Yes, give it to me. Here you go. So good. This is the stuff. Pumpkin soup is best piping hot. Never had pumpkin soup. Well done. Say thanks to the owner for me. Anytime. Right. What the hell? I hit it then. I'm really not good with this. Right. Well, that's fine. I wonder if that practice sword's still in the bag. Oh. No, it's not. Well, that's fine. Right. So I think there is more for us to do, actually. I'm gonna go check inside the Knight Academy, because there are things to do. There is something here. Well, there was at one point. I don't know. Right. Oh, hello, good sir. How goes your search for Zelda? Remember to find a bed and sleep if you start getting tired. A quick nap can restore your hearts and refresh your mind to explore after dark. Didn't actually know that. Well, now I do. Alright. There should be something in here for me to do. What do you want? Man, when Goose gets sad, he's downright miserable. He's always in his room sulking, and when he does come out, he gets angry at everyone for no reason, even me. The way I hear it, you're the one responsible for Zelda going missing. This is your mess, so you better fix it. I didn't even do anything. Colin and Stretch. Oh yeah, these are those bullies. Those mean people. What about in here? Fletch. Hello, Fletch. Hey Link, did you find any clues about Zelda? I know you can find it, don't give up. Don't worry, Listen, Fletch, I can do anything. Yeah, this is our room. What I'm gonna do... Found a blue rupee. It's worth 5 rupees. Better drop it in your wallet for now. Alright. What I am going to do is I'm going to go up here. Headmaster Gabe Aura. I'm going to go speak to him.
Hey!
Hi Link, how goes your search? Have you found any leads as to Zelda's whereabouts? I feel terrible for forcing you to face this task alone, but we mustn't let the rest of the village catch wind of what transpired that awful night. If the truth of what we saw that night was exposed to the village, it could cause mass confusion amongst the people here. I'm afraid this mission has to fall to you alone. Good luck, and may the winds be at your back. I mean, I was going to tell you something about your daughter, but... guess not. Right. Let's go to the, goddess statue. But, okay. A bit of context. Watch your step there. Haven't they taught you at the academy that knights must always be vigilant? Sharp enough or you'll never make it to knighthood. Yeah. Bit of a problem with that, mate. Basically what happened is I was running and for some reason I climbed up and then jumped off. I don't know why. But yeah. So I'm a bit of a fucking idiot. But, oh well, what can you do? Right, inside the statue of the goddess. Examine. Where are we going now? Master, I have confirmed the location of a second opening in the cloud barrier. It is located in the skies to the northeast. This opening will allow you to access a new area on the surface. I suggest you fly there as soon as you complete necessary preparations. Yeah, I have. Don't worry, Fee. Gonna leave the heart potion. I don't need another heart potion. I'm pretty sure I should be okay. Right. Yeah, pretty much got everything that I need. For the time being, anyway. I've still got that. Alright, okay. Fall off then. Right, I know I said I wasn't going to do much story, but as far as I'm aware, I don't think there's anything else I can really do right now. I will find out, don't worry. Dive. Yeah, now you can see why we have a metal shield. Sailcloth. Master, this is Eldin Volcano. It is an active volcano rich with the power of the earth. Eldin Volcano. Do you want to go out, Kitty? Do you want to go out? Go on then. Blaze exercise caution with flammable materials such as wood and fabric. In the event you catch on fire, I highly recommend you extinguish the flames by performing a forward roll or a spin attack. Yeah, if you're ever on fire, just do a roll, it'll put it out. Right. Alright, so yeah, there's nothing really we can do here. It's like, right, let's save. Volcano entry, save. Select a save file. That one. Saved, right. Awesome. So, hey, what do you want now? I require your confirmation. You are currently attempting to assert the location of Zelda. Are you familiar? Yes. Of course. Please. Okay. Yeah. That is one thing I do not like about this game. And it's fee. Hey, you mess with our turf and you're gonna pay. Yo, you're not. Yo, Led, I don't think it's one of those red creeps. I think you're right. No reason to scare the hair off us, though. Sorry about that, pal. These monsters showing up and messing with our turf has got me on edge. They show up here and I'm gonna knock the red clean out of them. That's what I'm doing here. Yeah, me, Led. Yeah, whatever, Mr. Too Scared to Dig in the Dark. Anyway, if you're looking for treasure, you should stay clear of those red guys. Okay. Thanks for that heads up. I mean, I already know that. Right. Oh! Okay, yeah, the lava rises here. So we gotta be real careful. Alright. Alright, so we gotta wait for the lava to rise. And then we can return. Alright. Lava rise. Hurry up, I've not got all day. Oh, that was close. Alright, now we've just got to wait for it to lower. Hello. Alright, bye. How do I throw it? Oh, who are you supposed to be? Never seen you around here before. Are you a friend of those red creeps? No way. That's an insult. You're not, huh? Well, you don't look like them, that's for sure. You're not that ugly. Right, well, thanks a lot, mate. So what then? You're here to pick up bomb flowers? Yep. I figured you picked some pretty powerful ones in this area. Look, there are some right over there. Take as many as you want. I'm sure you already know, but once you pick a flower, the fuse starts burning, then it'll blow up in just a couple of seconds. You can also toss or roll them. You know how to roll. Not really. Right, when you've got a bomb flower, hold it up. Hold it low. Oh, right, okay. Alright, there's another path right there. Roll it. Die. Holy shit. Alright, I did not expect that to happen. Right, up here. Really? All that for 5 rupees? I'll take them. Rupees are actually really useful in this game, so I am kind of glad that I can get them. Rupees. Here's what we need, as many as we can get. Volcano East. Save. Select new save file? Yes. Save to this file? Yes. Saved. Awesome. There was one of those cubes earlier. There's also there is a heart piece up here, so I'm gonna get that. Oh, I thought they could pick them up. I guess not. What the fuck is that? Alright, see you later then, mate. I don't know how to get to that heart piece, but I will figure it out. Oh! Here's the cube. And up it goes. Right. Well, I guess we want to go this way then. I need one of those monster pendants as well. I want to upgrade my shield. Oh, Jesus Christ. I wonder what happens if I roll... Ow. That was not meant to happen. Right, I'm going to stop doing that. I'm just going to wait for it to finish and then I'll go through. We're going to play it smart. In your own time. Alright, so how do I... Is that what I do? I don't know. Oh, right, so they are actually just normal monsters. I thought they were like actually characters, but no. So that's how you deal with those then. You just gotta roll a bomb into them. Yeah, fuck off. Oh, another monster pendant. Just what we were looking for. Right. Right, okay. Well, that's how you deal with those guys. Bitch. Right. Let's go up here. I don't know this place very well, by the way. Like, I really... It's not very memorable to me. anything in here? Oh! If you sit down, it recovers the... Oh, I didn't know that. Fuck you. Okay, well I can't do anything with that. Well, there's nothing else that I can really do. Anyway, that is going to be the end of the video though, so I do hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, do consider liking and subscribing, and oh. Let's quickly deal with that. Yeah, anyway, if you did enjoy, do consider liking and subscribing, and I shall see you all in the next one.